Welcome to our instructional video on how to solve for the variable in a linear equation. In this video, we will be solving the equation 7 times x minus 5 equals 9. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of the steps involved in solving for the variable x. So let's get started. To solve the equation 7x minus 5 equals 9, we need to isolate the variable x on one side of the equation. In the first step, we add 5 to both sides of the equation. This is because we want to cancel out the minus 5 on the left side. Adding 5 to both sides ensures that the equation remains balanced. So we start with 7x minus 5 equals 9. By adding 5 to both sides, the equation becomes 7x equals 9 plus 5. Simplifying the right side of the equation, we get 7x equals 14. In this step, we have successfully altered the equation to remove the minus 5 and simplified it to 7x equals 14. The reasoning is that by adding the same number to both sides, we maintain equality, which is essential when solving equations. Now that we have the simplified equation 7x equals 14, we need to solve for the variable x. In this step, we need to isolate x by getting rid of the coefficient 7. A coefficient is the number that is multiplied by the variable x. Since 7 is multiplied by x, we do the opposite operation, which is division, to cancel out the 7. By dividing both sides of the equation by 7, we ensure that the equation remains balanced. So, we take 7x equals 14 and divide both sides by 7. On the left side, 7 divided by 7 cancels out, leaving us with just x. On the right side, 14 divided by 7 simplifies to 2. Now we have isolated x, and the equation becomes x equals 2. In this final step, we have solved for the variable x. By dividing both sides by 7, we maintain the equality and find that x equals 2. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.